Okay, I think there's a couple things going on here. First of all, I'm going to turn on the show non-printing characters so that I can see right here that there are all these all these tabs. So I'm going to take all the tabs out because to move everything to the right, I instead want to use the right alignment rather than either the margins at the top or the tabs. So once I get this done, I'm going to select those, and then I'm going to go to alignment and spacing, and I'm just going to right align them, which will work. If you want, you can always align this now with a tab to make it be further over where you want it to be. That's up to you. Oops, too far. Okay, now this vocabulary here is acting very strangely, so I'm going to take it out altogether because it was being odd, and I'm going to put it in again because it was not going where I wanted it to go. Okay, once I've done that, you can see that I've made it go on to a second page. So what I would do here is I would take all of this out of here, and I'm just going to copy and paste it, and I'd put it actually up in the header itself, which gives you a little more space and should put everything back on one page. Okay, so there's that. Now, the next thing I want to do, I'm going to turn off those marks because you don't need to see those, and I don't need this space right here, so I'm going to take that out, I think. That took out. Okay. I'm going to go get the coordinate that you want here, and I'm going to drag it. Oops, first before I move it. Yeah, nice try. Before I move it, I'm going to change on that picture the wrapping. So let me show you where that is here in the formatting palette. I'm going to go to wrapping, and instead of inline with text, I want to move it to square. And notice that then it can be on top of things, it can be wherever you want it to be. So if you want it up here, once you change that wrapping to square, or you can make it tight if you want it to be a little closer in, then it allows you to drag it wherever you want it to be. Alright, and that should be your document.